Well, 3 days after the twin blast rocked Hyderabad, killing 17 people, UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi and Prime Minister Manmohan Singh are scheduled to reach Hyderabad to visit the blast site in Dilsukh Nagar. In fact, the duo's visit comes amidst the blame game between the centre and the state over the onus of the attack, and with the war of words escalating further after Shinde's remark over the state of Andhra Pradesh being given prior alert about the mishap, but having done nothing much. Prime Minister and Sonia Gandhi are scheduled to arrive in Hyderabad at 11 this morning. UPA chairperson had earlier expressed sorrow over the blast and condemned the terror attack.